My name is Steve Samuel, and I work for Design Visionaries, and I am so glad to show you and share with you some geometry that I saw on a recent trip. I went to Budapest, and Budapest is on the Danube River, and in Budapest they had these fountains, and these fountains were beautiful. And there's a little spot where the water comes out of this fountain, and it's drinkable, and it's right there, and it's got this basin here. And I thought, wow, what a wonderful city that has this fresh water, drinkable water, good tasting water that just comes right out of the fountain. And then they have these baths, you know, they've got these sulfur baths, and so water is really important in the city of Budapest. It's in the country of Hungary, and I think they really respect architecture and art, because everywhere you look there's marble and there's columns and there's artwork, and they really have just done a great job. So here's the sculpture that I saw, sculpture slash fountain, and so I decided to see what I could do. So the first thing I did was to bring in a JPEG of the picture, and I started to put this thing together. I started with what you would imagine. I started with a sketch that just looked like the basic shape, and I extruded it, but the base is wider than the top, and so I wanted to do a taper on it. Now, I couldn't just taper it because there's a width up at the top, and then it tapers in this interesting way. So the taper goes along this curve that I've sketched on the curved surface. So what I did was I put a point right here, and then I made a curved mesh surface. And the curved mesh surface is a fantastic surface because you can actually put a surface and use a point as one of the sections. So, you know, with the curved mesh, you've got primary curves, then you've got cross curves, and I used as primary curve number 1, I used an actual point entity. Then primary curve number 2 was this edge. Then cross curve 1 was that edge, and cross curve 2 was those curves that I literally sketched onto the curved surface. And then I made a surface, and then I did a replace face. So there you can see I mirrored it and replaced face. So that's how I got the basic shape of the fountain. And then to make the basin, I made this nice ellipse on a sketch, and I cordoned off this little quarter of it, and I revolved it, and then I shelled it, and then I extruded this other thing. When I united it together, I made sure that this little piece would be subtracted as I united. So the unite that I used had a region, a remove region on it. So then I did the actual little nameplate thingy, and I kept going. Here are those unites. I put a nice little texture on it. Now let's Control W and get rid of the datum planes and the coordinates and the points and the sketches at all, and the sheet bodies. We don't want the sheet body there. Okay, that's good. And then I wanted to emulate the water. And so at some point I extracted the faces of the interior of the basin, etc., etc., sewed them together, I trimmed them off, I did an end-sided surface there, and that's basically how I made the water. But then I superimposed a revolved, rippled surface on it, and I did a replace face. So that's how I got the ripples, just like that. Ripples, and at some point I made this little water that comes in, and then I went to the display and I did assign visual materials, and I assigned stone to the stone, and I assigned water to the water, and then I have what I believe, let me just cycle it once, I had what I believe is a very beautiful, not necessarily accurate, but a nice representation of what I saw on the streets of Budapest in Hungary. I would highly recommend that you go out there if you can. I know that's easy for me to say. It's not so easy for everybody to that hears my voice to get to Budapest, Hungary. But it's a beautiful city with a lot of beautiful architecture and beautiful artwork all over the place, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It's quite a privilege to provide these for you, and when you like and subscribe, it makes it easier for us to keep doing it. Thanks again, and I will see you online.